Place the seat cushion cover over the seat, aligning it properly. Insert both straps that connected chuck through the gap between the seat back and the cushion. Secure the seat cover using the chuck. Pull the front elastic hem to cover and secure the plastic trim. Unfold and slide the seat back cover over the seat back with both hands. Insert both straps with chucks through the gap between the seat back and the seat cushion. Secure the cover using the chucks. Place the seat cushion cover at the seat's left and right ends. Push the top chuck through the gap between the backrest and seat cushion. Place the middle cover between the installed seat covers and adjust the position. Push the top chuck through the gap between the backrest and seat cushion. Press to connect the seat cushion middle cover with seat cushion covers. Lift the seat cushion and use the elastic hook to connect the top and bottom chuck. Pass the elastic hook through the outer elastic band. Firmly connect the elastic hook to the middle hole of the chuck. Repeat the steps for the rest of sides. Place both backrest covers on the left and right ends of backrest, aligning them properly. When placing the right backrest cover, pull out the seat belt and pass the backrest cover through the belt. Align the side of the backrest cover properly. Press to attach the back cover to the Velcro tape. Insert all the bottom chuck through the gap between the backrest and seat cushion. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Pull out the cup holder from middle backrest and insert it to the backrest middle cover. Ensure the hole of backrest middle cover is facing upwards when inserted. Using both hands, pull the backrest middle cover toward the back until it's fully covered, then adjust it for a neat fit. Insert the bottom part of backrest middle covers through the gap between the backrest and seat cushion. Pull out the bottom part from the gap and connect the Velcro tapes on the backrest middle covers. Push the top part of chuck through the gap between the backrest and seat cushion. Place the backrest middle cover properly to the back side of middle backrest. Unfold the headrest cover and slide it over the right and left headrests. Bring front Velcro to the back and secure the headrest by closing it inward. Cover the middle headrest cover on the middle headrest. Bring top and bottom Velcro to the back and attach them together to secure the cover.